So we just have 5 months to the end of 2025. In today's video, I'll be telling you 4 investments that will pay you before 2025 runs out. One good thing about this investment is that all of them are low risk investments. So once you invest in them, you're not really afraid that you're going to lose your capital. Your capital is always preserved. It's just interest that you'll be gaining from this investment, and it's a short-term investment. So you'll be getting your payments before 2025 ends. So if you're in for content like this, do what to subscribe to Waxfly TV as we keep bringing you ways to go about making some cash online and how to go about investing. Now, the first on our list is money market mutual fund. I've done a video on money market mutual fund, so I'll not be going in depth into it in today's video. So money market mutual fund is a short-term investment where you put your money and they give you some interest. So in money market mutual fund, they take funds from various investors and they invest in things like treasury bill and commercial paper, also certificate of deposit. So once they invest in this short-term investment with your capital, they are giving you your interest. So in money market mutual fund, you're not the person choosing the individual investments. All you have to do is to give your money to the brokerage company or the asset management, and they choose the funds they want to invest or the securities they want to invest for you. In money market mutual fund, they invest in just short-term duration type of investments that are also low risk. So one I always recommend is the Stanbic IBTC money market mutual fund. This mutual fund, with a minimum of 5,000 naira, you can get started and you can hold it in a minimum of 30 days. So after 30 days, you can withdraw your money or decide to sell out your fund. So it's a great way of getting started to invest and get your profit before this year runs out. You can hold it as much as you want to hold it. For a 1 year duration, you are getting 20% return on investment. But if you get to hold it in just 5 months time, you'll not be getting that 20% return on investment. Now, the second investment you can get started with and get your money or get paid your interest before the year runs out is treasury bill. Now, treasury bill is also a short-term duration, which means it's less than a year. So you are giving money for a federal government of Nigeria and they are investing that your money for you and they are giving you interest. When you invest in treasury bill in the secondary market, after a period of time, they give you your interest. Now, with a minimum of 100,000 naira, you can get started in the secondary market, and platforms like AfriInvestor 2.0 is what you can use to invest in treasury bill. And there are other brokerage company out there you can use to also invest in treasury bill, but myself, I use AfriInvestor 2.0. Now, there are various duration when you want to invest in treasury bill. There's the 180 days, there's the about 200 days, there's also the 62 days. You have to choose the one you want to invest in. So since you want to get your profit before the year runs out, you need to put a duration where you'll be able to get your profit before the year runs out. There are lots of duration out there. You have to choose one that best fits your interest and you can get your profit before the year runs out. Now, the third investment I'll be talking about is commercial paper. Now, commercial paper is just like treasury bill, but this time you're not loaning money to the federal government of Nigeria. In commercial paper, you are giving the money to big corporation or company out there looking for those that will lend them money. So big corporation come out to tell people, please lend us some money and we'll give you some interest, and that's how it works. In a short duration, they are going to give you your interest and also your capital. So it's like commercial paper, it's always less than a year. With a minimum of 5 million naira, you can get started. AfriInvestor also provides some commercial paper when it's available. Some brokerage company out there also provide commercial paper, and it's also low risk because not all company can be able to issue out commercial paper. If a company is not big to a great extent, they will not be able to issue out commercial paper, or it will get rejected. If the CSCS and those in charge of commercial paper release, I've seen that this company will not be able to give investors their money, or they see that the valuation of this company is not able to give out this commercial paper, they will not approve that commercial paper for the company. So most times, or 100% of the time, when a company gives that commercial paper, you are rest assured they are going to pay your money. So you should not really fear or you should not really panic if you are loaning to big corporations out there. Now, the fourth investment you can get started with that will definitely pay before the year runs out is investing in high interest saving platform. I can invest through saving in all these fintech platform. I can get your interest in 3 months time, 4 months time, or also 5 months time. Sometimes you have to choose the duration yourself. For example of such platform is Optimus by AfriInvest. I've been using Optimus by AfriInvest and I can greatly recommend it. There's a link in the description of this video where you can get started investing with Optimus by AfriInvest. Now, there's the OptiLock on Optimus by AfriInvest. There's the OptiPlan, and you just added the Opti target. With the Opti target, you can get as much as 15% return on investments per annum, or you can also use the OptiPlan or the OptiLock. All you have to do is to save your money there for a certain duration and they are going to give you some interest. You can use use their calculator to know how much you are getting at the end of your duration. So these 4 investments will definitely pay you before the end of the year, and trust me, they are very much low risk investments, so you are not really afraid of losing your money. You can get started with any of them. All you have to do is to create yourself a brokerage account. For the money market mutual fund, I recommended Stanbic IBTC money market mutual fund. So you need to create yourself a Stanbic IBTC asset management account. If you want to invest for Treasury Bill and commercial paper, you can use Afri Investor 2.0. If you want to invest in high interest savings platform, you can use Optimus. That's what I can recommend. Another high savings platform out there, so you can make your research to invest in them. If you want more content like this, do also hit that subscribe button as we keep bringing you ways to go about making some cash online, and also how to go about investing. You can drop your comments in the comment section. I'll look forward to answering all your questions as regards how to go about investing and making some cash for yourself. Till next one, peace.